Yes, my loves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Blessings to each and every one, viewers, supporters, subscribers, family. Enough love and respect, manners and appreciation to each and every single one of you. I appreciate you. No big up on yourself, hope no day go good so far, and everybody wake up on the right side of the bed. Nobody now walk around with them motor shove down the wall, them in the utmost because them wake up on the wrong side. You understand? So big up, big up, big up. All right, guys. So you know me, I browse on the internet and I come across this and decide I have to come share it over here with you. I don't know how many of you see this, but it's a very tragic and unfortunate situation. So basically, the headline said that a Jamaican nanny was among 4 people killed on Sunday when the private jet they were traveling in lost contact with air traffic controller and crashed into mountains in Virginia, United States. Oh my. So her name was Evadne Simit. She was 56 years old. She was killed along with her employer, the 2-year-old they were traveling with, and the pilot. Yes, my loves, and I can't imagine how frightening this was for them. My God. And it also said that she was described as a remarkable woman with a beautiful soul who shared a special bond with the single mom and her daughter. She was known for her generous portion of plantain porridge. My God. Oh my. Hey, people. But when you look into it, it's sad. It is very, very sad and unfortunate because a lot of we, if we don't have family members, we know have people, close friends and so forth, who basically give up for them own family and them go overseas for better life, better opportunities. Some go over there, them work as nurses, some housekeepers, some nanny, babysitter, and you know the rest of them. So them sacrifice them own family a yard, leave them just to go overseas, go take care of another family so that them can make 2 ends meet. You understand? Dedicating them life, them time to another family. Only fear return back home in our body bag. Can you just imagine? Family where they are yard, family members where they are yard, and everybody, I look forward for Miss Evadne come home with her little barrel and suitcase them and mix snacks with foreign goodies and so forth. And what am I gonna receive now? A body bag? A body figure berry. It's sad, very, very sad. This is truly heartbreaking, but I can basically say right now is, my deepest sympathy and deepest condolences to the family and loved ones who is mourning their loss right now. Guys, so basically, I just come share this with you, so I'm leaving right now. I'm heading back out. So see y'all again later. I want to enjoy the rest of the day. Have a productive one. Remember, if you like up the video, who not subscribe yet, subscribe to the channel. I don't know do they do. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. So I'm big up on a nice, clean, good self and have a productive one. See you later. Bye bye.